Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Google's AI can now predict floods in rivers up to a week before they happen, helping people in 80 countries to be ready. This was shared in a science journal called Nature. Using machine learning, Google has made flood predictions more reliable, giving more time for people to prepare. They used past floods, river levels, and other data to train their AI. Even in places with less data, like parts of Africa and Asia, the AI can still make accurate predictions. Google has made these forecasts available on Google Search, Maps, Android notifications, and the company's proprietary Flood Hub web app, which began operations in 2022, and other platforms, reaching 460 million people. In the future, Google wants to make even better flood predictions using AI, working with experts to improve their system. Their goal is to have a global platform for predicting floods. Truecaller has introduced a new feature called Max, which uses artificial intelligence to stop spam calls. This feature is part of an upgrade available only on Android phones. It stops calls from numbers not saved in contacts or that Truecaller's AI thinks are spam, making your phone safer from scams and annoying calls. However, Apple does not allow Truecaller to block calls from iPhones, so only Android users with Truecaller Premium can use this feature. Truecaller warns that users may miss important calls due to this feature, but they will listen to user feedback and encourage reporting spam calls to improve the system. Now let's see how we can use AI spam blocking feature on Truecaller. First, ensure you have a Truecaller Premium subscription. Then go to the app settings, select block. Now, select the level of protection, click the max option to enable the AI spam blocking capability. Now at last, let's have a look at its premium subscription price in India. There are 4 levels of Truecaller Premium: Gold, Assistant, Assistant Family, and Connect. The Connect level has monthly subscription fees of 179 rupees, and the Assistant Family level is 299 rupees, while the Connect level has annual subscription fees of 539 rupees and 5000 rupees for the Gold level. Samsung Electronics, which is the largest memory chip maker in the world, says that things might be uncertain this year. But they see a chance to do more with artificial intelligence. At a meeting with shareholders, Jong-hee, a leader at Samsung Electronics, said that even though there are uncertainties in the world, there are also new opportunities with AI. Samsung believes that AI will become a big part of our lives, helping us with everyday tasks using smart devices. These devices will understand what we say, how we move, and other cues to assist us better. Samsung is working on bringing AI to homes and workplaces to make routine tasks easier. But they also want to make sure these technologies are safe and secure. Han told shareholders that Samsung will keep working on AI and new businesses to grow sustainably. Samsung Electronics plans to pay 9.8 trillion won in dividends for 2023, following a 7.2% decrease in net profit and a 14.3% fall in sales to 258.93 trillion won in the previous year. The United Nations is set to vote on a resolution aimed at ensuring the safety and trustworthiness of artificial intelligence. The resolution, sponsored by the US, aims to ensure that AI benefits all 193 countries in the UN, regardless of their economic status, and that everyone has the necessary technology and skills to use AI for positive purposes. It also emphasizes the need for AI to be used responsibly, respecting human rights, and following the law. The resolution also highlights how AI can contribute to the UN's 2030 goals, such as ending hunger and poverty, and calls for cooperation among countries to access AI benefits while protecting human rights. The US has been working on the resolution for 3 months and has sought input from various countries. If adopted, it would be a significant step towards making AI safer and more helpful for all. Nvidia made a new super strong computer chip called Nvidia GB200 Grace Blackwell. It's great for making AI smarter and uses less energy. The European Union is asking big tech companies like Google and Facebook about how they use AI and keep elections safe. India is changing some rules about AI too. Apple is working on a new AI model called MM1. There are also subscriptions for AI tools from companies like Microsoft and Google, but think carefully before you pay for them. Google is in trouble in India because of some issues with its App Store. Meanwhile, PhonePe's new App Store is doing well. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.